Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can get back the old icons on Instagram. Let's go. Start your Instagram and go to the settings. And there you just drag it down till you get this screen. So it's a special, just drag it all the way down, from the top down. And then you see you get all these old classic icons and all these nice colors in green, orange, blue, black and white and gold. So just select one and edit. So now just drag the old icon out and drag the new one in. So I do this with the gold one, and now let's try the light one. Just drag it instead of the original icon there. And when you click on it, you come to Instagram, and yeah. So check out my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. You find a lot of awesome tutorials here, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.